welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Get Eaten with the annoying mower guy at the neighbours. I figured out it was at the neighbours, but yeah, annoying. And I was playing this with JJ Gaming yesterday, and I named this car the Maserati. Wait, I need to get in the drivers. Oh yeah, and I've unlocked a couple of good slides. The second best one I've unlocked the second best one. Not the best one yet though. I need to get up to that purple one. Yes, that's 6,000 or 3,000 points, which I will buy. I'll show you guys what this game's about. First I need to start off with the worst slide ever. The worst slide in the game. What? Yeah, and they've got like hunger ranks, and while them's showing up, I just figured out, and my Maserati's stuck, so I'm going to get in the Formula 1, because I deserve it. Oh, they chose the right sound effects. A little baby going. That's my F1. Give me my F1, mate. Mine. He's hungry, he can eat me. I sacrifice myself for trained doorman. I will sacrifice myself. And I played this game a fair bit. I'm level 15, so I sacrifice myself for the tired doorman. Trained. Yeah, now can you guys see how dumb I am? Oh yeah, let's get flushed out the toilet. Let's go. Whoa, 360s for everyone. Yeah, so the game is, the title, Get Eaten. Go down a slide, then get eaten. Doge, I need to save Doge. Is Doge even hungry? Doge is hungry. Dogey boy's hungry. My boy Doge is hungry. If this video gets 1 like in 2 minutes, I might as well put my Doge head on. Yes, I do have a Doge head. And I will put it on if this video gets 1 like in 1 minute. Oh no, Doges. Oh, now I'm doo-doo. Yeah, can you see how dumb this game is, guys? Just see how dumb this game is. You can drive in hot dogs, pizzas, pies, everything. Yeah, so I'll just go down this. Okay guys, we're back. Yep, I figured out what that noise is. It's the neighbours came down there. Yeah, they came down a tree, the neighbours. So that's fine. What? That one won't move. Yes, get out of here, boy. Whoa, look at that drifting. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oi, I'm flipped. Oh, I'm flipped back. Let's go, guys, let's go. Whoa, 8,000 points. Oh wow, points are kind of expensive. Wow, this is cool. Oh wow, I'm getting eaten by Alex Town. Don't even. I'm in someone's head. It's that bad. Ooh. Okay, I found a meme in this game where you can do this. and knock down those two and just go over it and then do flips off the side. Yeah, so that's fun. Oh yeah, and there's something else I wanted to show you guys in the meantime. Can you see this Marshall guy? Marshall 2010. You saw that guy, right? Now, you can ride in a Sonic head. Just a Sonic head, so it's gonna be my car. Vroom vroom. Haha, Sonic is faster than you. Naruto run. Oh yeah, and there's this slide that's really cool. It's a purple one. It's only 900 X points, so, and it's actually kind of good because it's got a loop-to-loop in it. So I'm just going to go faster as Sonic. Well, I am Sonic, so, and it's got a loop-to-loop, and I just do that. And then it feeds me to Sunglasses Dude. And I'm just going to go around like this. Whoa, who else sees that optical illusion where it looks like you're... Yep, I can see optical illusions. No, don't slow me down. I'm having fun going around in circles. Yikes. Oh no, I'm down. Oh, I'm down. Whoops. No, don't eat me. Please don't eat me. Oh god, the blades. When am I turning into... I'm poo. I'm poo. It turns you into poo. So this game's like the easiest game I've ever experienced in my life. Hold on. I'm just going to show you guys what's up here and how much this thing costs to go in it. Now you need to jump out of the thing, or your thing would go bouncing and go nuts. So yeah, the neighbours came down the tree. Really annoying. Yep, so you need 6,500 points to unlock this.
Okay, I'm gonna make some noise.
Yeah, I'm saving up for this. Even more noise than what you did. Just making some noise. Okay, guys, we're back after a lot of noise, and I just stopped my recording because I figured it would be annoying. So there's this Jack in a Box guy, which I'm saving up for currently, and that's like 2,500. And I figured out a way how to knock down these anvils and make them land on kids' heads. Anvils, kids' heads, what's the difference? Whoa, bouncy. What was that? That's a glitch. What? What? This is weird. I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Push. What? That's a glitch. It's like a barrier here. How? I don't want to fall through the barrier. Let me do it. Okay, that's physically impossible, but now 6,500 points. I'm saving up for that. I'll film when I get that. And yeet off the side. Oh, I was going to try left on the plant. Okay, we're going to end the video here, guys. Bye. Ooh. What? Am I recording? No. Yep. Oh, I am recording now. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm just going to go back into getting it. Yeah, I'm sorry. My thing wasn't working. Yeah, now it's working. Now, do you guys want to see the awesome glitch? Yeah, I found a glitch that I think is a glitch, or it's just the game. Or if you play this game, it's the best game ever in Roblox. It's called Roblox Get Eaten. You see why it's called Get Eaten? I do. Hey. So I'm saving up for the Jack in the Box, which 6,500. So that's good, and I found a glitch. A big, fat, juicy glitch. Oh, the neighbours finally stopped. Can I get in you? Yeah, look, we're bouncing. Here's the glitch. Bounces, teleports you back. Oh yeah, and I found this. You can knock anvils on kids' heads. Land on a child's head. It's raining anvils, kids. What? My anvil. Oh, come on. Wow. I was wondering if I could, like... No. How do I get down, though? Oh, that's how. So